issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Loudoun County, southeastern Anderson County, central Knox County, east central Roane County, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oak Ridge, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Knoxville, Oak Ridge, Clinton, Lenore City, Farragut, Halls, Bearden, Powell, and Carnes. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 362 and 396. Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers